Hey, hello lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some chicken Caesar salad. This is my favorite of all time. I can eat this like every day. So with this we will need some romaine lettuce, we will need some chicken, some croutons, some cherry tomatoes. This is blended ginger, garlic, onions with some spices, and of course some Caesar dressing. I love this kind of Caesar dressing. That's why I'm showing to you guys. I get it from Kroger and sometimes from Walmart. It is so good, trust me. And I don't like cheese, but you can go ahead and add cheese to this recipe, feel free. So we'll go ahead and start this by adding my ginger, garlic, and onions to my chicken here. So this is our lettuce. See how dry it is. I told you guys, let it sit for a while and it will get dry. So this is it. And let's put it here. Okay, so you remember our chicken. Let's add our chicken. Okay, now our grape tomatoes. Let's add this beauty. It's already looking delicious. So let's add our croutons to this beauty. Ooh. Okay, so let's stir this salad up. Guys, you should try this at home. It's easy to make. I love making chicken Caesar salad. Okay, now is it Caesar without a Caesar dressing? No. So now let's add our Caesar dressing on here, and let's serve this beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to get done so I can eat the salad. I love chicken Caesar salad, and I know you guys are going to love it the way I do. Make the chicken the same way. Oh my gosh, and you will love this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.